So hello everyone and good morning. I hope everyone are doing well. So finally I am getting the chance to create content in my YouTube channel. Yes! It's been a long time that I haven't uploaded any videos.
केमा व्यस्त हुनुहुन्थ्यो किन टाढा हुनुभएको
And yeah, obviously I had uploaded some shorts on my Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, but couldn't get the perfect time, or let us say I was not able to get a perfect event that I could make any videos. And as I planned to go see and swim around the Jharna. There is one Jharna around near Salandi. I thought of exploring it. And along in that, there was some event that had happened. And so let's go. So यहाँबाट चाहिँ दुईटा झर्ना हाम्रो सालजनी नजिकै चाहिँ दुईटा झर्ना छ एउटा चाहिँ वी क्यान गो फ्रम राइट साइड अनि अर्को चाहिँ वी क्यान गो फ्रम लेफ्ट साइड वाला झर्ना चाहिँ विच इज नियर झर्ना रिसोर्ट अनि मलाई चाहिँ यो यता राइट साइडको झर्ना आई फाइन्ड इट प्रिटी फ्यासिनेटिङ सो आई फिल द्याट आई एम गोना गो टुवर्ड दिस राइट साइड सिन्स इट रेन yesterday I have a feeling that the road might be slippery and it might be a bit rugged, and let's see how my bullets handle it. Okay, you can see the frame is so greenery today.
यहाँ तो चारों तरफ हरियाली हरियाली है.
I feel the view gonna be so beautiful from that point. Right, let's go. Let's check it out how the view looks from there. Okay, don't get slipped, okay? Right. Okay. You know that we can't buy happiness, but obviously we can buy one bike and ride it through view like this. So beautiful. Let's go. From my thumbnail you might have already gotten a hint about what I had been preparing for. Actually this month two of my plans got mixed up. The first one was to go on an exploration trip, and I had even made some preparation for it, but it couldn't happen because of my second plan, which I'm gonna let you know in a while. And because of that second plan, my first plan was postponed, and since it couldn't happen, let's not dwell on it, right? And let me tell you about my second plan. The second this, actually I have two gloves, but I couldn't find another glove, that's why I have to wear this. And it has really become convenient for me while using my mobile screen, I don't have to take my gloves off while using my mobile, and it has become so much easier for me.
Subhanallah! क्या कारीगरी है?
Damn boy, damn, the road is pretty rugged today. So I was talking about my second plan, right? The second plan is about a competition, and 2 weeks ago before the competition, okay, my gym owner, because I told us about a physique and bodybuilding competition that was held in Butol, Thai Butol on Bhadra 15th, and he told us that 3 of our gym member, including me, are selected and gonna participate in that competition. And I was completely stunned at that moment.
मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गई है. हाँ, मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गई है.
I mean, how could I, who has only been in the gym for 7 months, could participate with those people who have been training for years? And I asked my guru because I to give me at least 2 days to think about it. And on that 2 days, I asked why should I participate and how can I participate. And finally, I got the click.
The click.
Firstly, it would really help me to get myself out of the comfort zone, right? And secondly, it would build my confidence. And thirdly, I would be able to see the best version of my body, because I have heard that during competition our bodies are in their best ever shape. And for that I thought let's take the plunge. Okay, what a beautiful jharna. And also the main question that loomed over me was, what if I don't win? Despite all these thoughts and questions, I decided that this was an opportunity that I couldn't pass up. Winning isn't everything, right? Sometimes the journey and what you learn from it matter the most. So I decided to take the plunge and started preparation for it. However, I felt moments of doubt and exhaustion in between. I believe that growth only happens when we push ourselves, right?
वाह वाह क्या बात बोली. मजा आ गया.
Also, one day before the competition, our gym owner and gurus, coaches oiled our bodies to enhance the visibility of our muscle, and yeah, it was pretty therapeutic and relaxing. And today I thought that riding on this bike and sharing the backstory of those events would be a great idea to tell it, right? What a beautiful bridge. And obviously I thought that I would be speaking in English because I feel that it really adds weight to the conversation, and yeah, it is really improving my English as well.
कितना अच्छा इंग्लिश बोलने लग गया है भाई, कितना बड़ा आदमी बन गया है तू.
And on that day in the morning I met my gym owner in the gym, and from there we pushed off toward the event. So hello and namaste everyone. I hope everyone are doing well. So finally, it's been a long time since I last dropped any videos on my YouTube channel, and yeah, I wasn't finding any kind of content or any kind of script or any good move where I can apply, and without that I wasn't planning to upload any kind of videos, I mean actually long videos. So finally the day has come. So here right now I'm in front of my gym. Oh, Yo's Multi Fitness Center, and this is the entry of our gym. So guys, we are ready to push off from here. अनि हामीले चाहिँ गाडीमा सबै सामानहरू राखिसकेको छौँ. अनि pretty hot right now. जे भने बिहानको सन इज गुड फर आवर हेल्थ त्यो त मानिन्छ होइन. सो अब चाहिँ हामी यहाँ लगभग जिमबाट निस्किसकेको छौँ. अनि अलङ द वे विल बी मिटिङ आवर गाइज. अनि अर्को कारमा चाहिँ कुरेर बस्नुभएको छ. अनि हेयर इज आवर गुरु विकास थापा.
नमस्ते.
अनि उहाँले नै गर्दा अहिले चाहिँ हामी कम्पिटिसन जान लागेको छौँ.
नमस्ते. आज चाहिँ हामी अब योर मल्टी फिटनेसको टिम हाम्रो 3 जना भाइहरूलाई लिएर जाँदै आज चाहिँ मिस्टर तिलोत्तमा कप फर्स्ट यो बडी बिल्डर एन्ड यो मेन फिजिक पुरुषतर्फ अनि महिलातर्फबाट गेम हुँदैछ. हाम्रो चाहिँ 3 जना भाइमा 1 जना बडी बिल्डरमा क्षितिज भाइ 65 केजीमा, अनि हाम्रो क्यामराम्यान भाइ छ रोशन अनि 170 सेन्टिमिटर माथिको फिजिकमा, अनि हाम्रो सानो फुच्चे भाइ हिरो ट्याक्क दर्पण भाइ पनि फिजिकमा मेन फिजिकमै हो. अनि भाइहरूले एकदम मेहनत गरेर यत्रो दिनसम्म एकदम तपस्या गरेको छ. आज रिजल्ट के हुन्छ हेरौँ. हामी चाहिँ अब आफ्नो तर्फदेखि भाइहरूले बेस्ट दिन्छन्. रेडी हो नि गाइज?
Yes, ready, all ready.
ल, थ्याङ्क यू सो मच.
We have actually reached the location, and we have already filled the form, and right now they are taking away, and after they take away, then we are going to have some carbs and other items as well. So this is the place where competition is going to happen, and since we are deprived of good food and of good sleep, that's why we are pretty weak right now. You can see my face as if something has leached all the fat from my face. And I've already placed pillow, which is my bag, and I'm gonna take a short nap until the program gets started. And as soon as the program gets started, I'll be hopping to that stage, and you know the rest what will happen. And I will try to show the best possible things out there. Okay. So this is the way to Jharda, and yeah, along the way I'm gonna tell you remaining story about the event. I have to lock my bike because I can't keep you at risk. You stay there, okay? By 5 PM I feel my brother Kshitiz had already competed in his category, and it was our turn to paint our bodies. And at that moment I was hoping that I wouldn't end up looking like Rajnikant. So okay, a bit of the story I'm gonna tell you from here, and also I feel that it's gonna be a great place if I start podcasting from here. I mean, look at the surrounding, right? So okay, so after about an hour at around 7 p.m, it was finally my turn to compete in the above 170 centimeter physique category. And yeah, there were 4 of us competing, and I gave it all based on what I had learned in just 2 weeks of preparation.
Russell Moore, tag number 51.
Later, when I got home and watched my performance, I realized that I had screwed some of the poses. Still, out of 4, I placed 3rd position.
What?
Yes, I came in 3rd position.
Today's स्थान प्राप्त गरेर सफल हुनुहुन्छ टेक नम्बर 51 का रोशन कुमार। यहाँको फिटनेस रु 5000 रुपैयाँ नगद पुरस्कार, सर्टिफिकेट र मेडलबाट सम्मान हुनुभएको छ। धेरै शुभकामना। यसरी आजको वान समिति एवं
At first, I asked myself whether I should even make a video about this, since I placed 3rd out of just 4 people. And yeah, I messed up some of the poses. What if people make fun of me while I upload this, right? But then I had another thought. There are so many people who go to the gym, get chiseled and ripped, and probably have better bodies than mine. But how many of them have the courage to show up and present themselves on the stage? If I am among those who have the courage to step up, then why not celebrate it, right? Since I know I put a lot of effort for this.
तेरे बिन नींदरा मेरी मुरझाइया प्यार करके 10 केड़ी कितियां कमाइयां आजा मोड़े.
So just now I finished swimming, and yeah, I clicked some videos in here, and now I have to say bye to this corner.
मुड़िया मार दिया मैनू है जुदाइयां
So there is a beautiful breeze out there. Let's see how it looks. Let's go. I hope I will not get bitten by any snakes, because it's dangerous in the rainy season, right? Okay. I hope you are able to see that phone over there. I hope it doesn't fall. Let's go. So by now I feel I have already shown all the clips of my competition, and yeah, I hope you have enjoyed that Jharna videos too. So this video is not about getting a position in a competition, right? It's all about showing yourself. It's about building your confidence and keeping and pushing yourself up. What I feel is next time, if everything goes right, then obviously I'm gonna participate in those competitions, and yeah, I'm gonna do great because I have already gained valuable experience. So I have to wait until next competition comes around, and wish me good luck, guys.
ये दोगला आदमी है, हम इसकी बात पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकते.
So until then, I'll keep pushing myself, and I encourage all of you to do the same. No matter where you are in your place. Let me pass this Bakras. Okay. Thank you so much. So yeah, no matter where you are in a place or environment, it's your willingness to. Sorry.
मेरी जबान टूट गई यार.
Take 2.
Take 2.
No matter where you are in your place or your environment, it's your willingness to show up and push yourself matter the most. And also guys, thank you so much for watching my videos till end. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Let's reach 200 subscriber guys. And yeah, if you actually love yourself, then please subscribe.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
ब्लग को चक्कर में धेरै इंग्लिश बोलिएछ कि यार.